Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to update Goodbudget application on your mobile device. If you're looking for a way to download the latest version of Goodbudget application so that you can keep up with the app, improve performance and fix bugs, then here's how you can easily do it. First of all, open your App Store or your Play Store. In the search box, type in Goodbudget and search. Look for this application that says Goodbudget Budget Planner. If you see an update button on this page, simply tap on Update to download the latest version of Goodbudget Budget Planner application. But if you see an open button, it means that you've already updated the application to the latest version. That is how you can easily update Goodbudget application to its latest version in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.